Hey everyone, how can you avoid using basic words like fast during tests like the IELTS or TOEFL? Well, I'm glad you asked. I'll show you some words to replace fast. Number one, fast due to being in a hurry or impatience is hasty. Hasty. Let's not be hasty. This is an important decision. She regretted her hasty comments during the argument. Hasty. What about fast due to lack of thought? This word is impetuous. Impetuous. The impetuous boy slipped on the freshly mopped floor. Oops. It was quite impetuous for Jeff Bezos to complain about high costs. Impetuous. What about fast due to having high energy? This word is brisk. Going for a brisk jog in the morning can be good for your health. Satisfied employees tend to work at a brisk pace. Brisk. Fast in quick succession in a very short period of time is rapid. After a slow start, the team had a rapid climb to the top. Some people suffer from rapid mood swings. Rapid. Capable of doing something fast is swift. The swift hawk was keeping watch over the field of wheat. Swift. I heard she is swift to anger, so choose your words carefully. Swift. Fast in order to be brief is a good word. Snappy. Snappy. Write a snappy summary of the meeting for the CEO. He doesn't have the time to read an essay. Please go pick up dinner and be snappy about it. So now you can stop using fast. There's a lot of better words out there. But how about don't say wrong? You could try this video. Subscribe if you want to. Bye.